Ever wondered how one company consistently conquers the financial world, building an empire not just through one venture, but through a dazzling array of brilliant businesses? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible, multifaceted revenue streams that fuel Berkshire Hathaway's immense financial success. At its core, Berkshire Hathaway's genius lies in its diversification. It's not a one-trick pony. Think of it as a master conductor, orchestrating a symphony of industries. Each contributing its unique melody to its financial harmony. Will break down these distinct income sources, revealing how they coalesce into an economic powerhouse. Step 1. Fearless Finance Insurance. Berkshire Hathaway, through its subsidiaries like GEICO and Berkshire Hathaway Reinsurance, is a colossus in the insurance world. They collect premiums from millions and prudently invest that capital, generating substantial returns from managing risk and float, essentially the money they hold before paying out claims. Step 2. Powering Progress Energy through Berkshire Hathaway Energy. They're not just powering homes and businesses. They're generating significant revenue. This includes electricity generation and distribution, natural gas pipelines, and a growing investment in renewable energy sources, all vital infrastructure that provides consistent income. Step 3. Building the world. Manufacturing and services. This is where things get truly diverse. Berkshire owns companies that make everything from BNSF railway trains and Lubrizol chemicals to Clayton Homes and Fruit of the Loom apparel. Each of these manufacturing and service businesses generates revenue from selling their products and services directly to consumers and other businesses. Step 4. Smart capital allocation beyond direct operations. A huge part of Berkshire's success comes from its brilliant capital allocation. Warren Buffett and his team strategically invest in publicly traded companies, owning significant stakes in titans like Apple, Coca-Cola, and American Express. The dividends and capital gains from these investments are a substantial income stream. In essence, Berkshire Hathaway's revenue isn't a single stream, but a vast, interconnected river system. It's the synergy between insurance, energy, manufacturing, retail, and strategic investments that creates its unparalleled economic might. Understanding this complex web is key to grasping how this empire continues to thrive.